Hi, this is Jeremy Bradshaw from MarineMax in Venice. This is one of our new arrivals. This is a beautiful, well-equipped Boston Whaler 210 Montauk. So what we'll do, we'll kind of go through the boat, point out some of the cool options on it. This was ordered with your trailer here, dual axle trailer with brakes. This one has the optional hardtop on it. This one also has the ski pylon on the back. That's very, very cool. Big 200 horsepower white Mercury Verado. And this, of course, is going to be your white gel coat right here. So the 210 is a really popular boat. This is a wide boat, has a tremendous amount of deck space. This one gives you, in the back, you've got jump seats on this side as well as that side. Lots of rod holders all the way around. Recirculating bait well, rod holders here, rod holders here. Very comfortable helm bench seat. This one's just in the midst of being rigged right now. This particular buyer went with the Raymarine GPS with sonar, Raymarine VHF radio. This one's got the sun lounger up front. You do have storage underneath here. Pre-rig for a troll motor if you decide you want to do that. For safety, high rails all the way around. Beautiful hardtop right here. VHF is already mounted. So the 210 Montauk, very, very popular boat. Kind of like a sport utility. There's a lot you can do with it, and this boat has some really cool options on it. So if you'd like some additional information, feel free to give us a call. The number here at MarineMax in Venice is 941-485-3388. Thanks again for taking the time, and we hope to talk to you soon. Bye-bye.